Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to see how a teacher can check a student's work. So for that, there are two ways. Let us try the simplest way first. You can simply select the child's section. Suppose I've got four children in my class. I want to check Eva Ram's work. I will go and click on that section, select homework. I know my child has uploaded an exercise here. So here is the image of that exercise. Now what we have to do is, as teachers, simply go to draw. We have two options here, pen or highlighter. I am selecting pen, and let's say I want red ink. You can select the thickness of the pen as well. Let's say I want 0.7 mm, and come to the parts and start marking the way you do in the physical notebooks. Okay, once you are done with this, if you remember, in the last tutorial we discussed about the insert tab, and in that we had the option of having stickers. So even that can be done by you. Go to insert, click on the three ellipses and select the stickers. You can move to I remember it was the doodle frame which we were talking about in the last video. So you can select a doodle and click on done, and it is simply going to come on your page. Okay, so here it is. Now see, one important thing to notice is since I selected pen for marking, even now my cursor is in the pen mode, the writing mode. So for that I have to once again go to draw. See, that is the reason why I have to go to why I need to go to this draw tab and change my cursor, because whatever suppose I want to reduce the size of this, I just can't do that, because whatever I'm going to do, it is only going to write, it is in the writing mode and it is going to draw only. So for undoing it, you can press Ctrl Z, or you can go to home, or you can press this button. This is also undo. Let me just do this, and now press undo. It will be undone. Okay, now go to draw and select this first option, because this is the typing text mode. Once you click on that, you are in the normal mode. See, your cursor has changed back to the normal. Now what I want to do is, I want to reduce the size of this particular sticker. For that, first you have to select that and come to the inner boundaries, reduce the size of the sticker, or you can even increase the size. That's your choice, increase or decrease. Okay, once you are done with it, you can just leave it wherever you want to leave. Suppose I want to keep it here, so I'm keeping it here, and that's it. Everything is being synced here. You can see the check mark here. Now the other way of doing this checking is, you can go to the class notebook. In the class notebook, you have the review student work. The dialog box will come here, and it is going to ask you the section you want to review. Let's say this time I want to check the class notes of my students. I'll click on the next button. Now it is going to show you all the pages which are there in the class notes. Suppose I want to check this introduction to AI. It is going to show me the number of students who have the work in this particular section. So I want, say for example, to check this child's work. The moment I click on this child's name, it is going to show me the page of the child, and I can close this particular tab and come back to here. Again, I'll have to go to draw and pick up a pen or whatever I want to say, right? I can say this why this table is empty. Okay, and then I can, instead of writing myself here in complete work, I can go to insert and click on the three ellipses, go to sticker and find out the sticker which says incomplete work. need more effort, whatever. There are so many things. I can select this one and I can change it to incomplete work. So you have ample amount of choices in this class notebook, as you have already seen. Now, again, you have to see that you are in the writing mode. So please go back to draw and select this first option. Now you are ready to change the size of this particular sticker and keep it wherever you want to. Let's say I want to keep it here. So it's done. Let me reduce the size and place it here, so that the child gets to know that he has not completed the work. Okay. Now यहाँ पे even we can see that we had this particular message written for our kids that they have to note it down in their copy. So you can mention a comment here that where is the screenshot of the copy. So like this is how you can simply check the child's work. I think I've made this the point clear to you. So that's all in this particular video. Thank you so much for watching.